If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open the game and navigate to the audio settings menu. Ensure that the voice chat option is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Test your microphone. Before diving deeper, test your microphone outside of the game. Use a voice recording application or a different game to confirm that your microphone is working properly. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your audio driver is up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to check for the latest versions. Step 4. Adjust Windows sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Recording tab, find your microphone and ensure it is set as the default device. Also, check the properties to ensure levels are set correctly. Step 5. Restart the game in PC. After making changes, restart Baldur's Gate 3 and, if necessary, your computer. This can help apply the changes and resolve any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game's support for further assistance.